When it comes to sales tax software, TaxPoint has become one of the most talked about solutions. But is it really the right choice for you? In this video, we're going to walk through 12 things you need to know before buying TaxPoint and how it compares to other options on the market. First thing to note is the pricing structure. TaxPoint offers competitive pricing, but it's not the cheapest on the market. Some other software solutions like TaxJar and Avalara may offer similar features at a slightly lower price, especially for smaller businesses. So, be sure to assess your budget and needs carefully before deciding. Next thing is the user interface. TaxPoint is known for its clean, user-friendly design, which makes it a solid option for businesses without a dedicated IT team. However, if you're looking for a more customizable experience, you might find competitors like TaxCloud or Sovos more flexible in terms of configuration. The third thing to consider is the integration options. TaxPoint works with major accounting platforms like QuickBooks and Xero, but if you're using niche software, TaxPoint might not support it right out of the box. Competitors like Avalara have a wider range of integrations and more advanced API features. The fourth thing is the accuracy of tax calculations. TaxPoint boasts accurate real-time tax rates, but like most software, its effectiveness depends on the quality of the data fed into it. Avalara offers a similar level of accuracy with a larger database of tax jurisdictions, making it a top contender for businesses with complex needs. Next thing is the reporting capabilities. TaxPoint provides a solid reporting feature that covers sales tax returns, audits, and nexus analysis, but it's not as robust as what you'll find with TaxJar or Sovos. These competitors tend to offer more detailed, customizable reports, which can be critical for businesses managing large volumes of transactions. The sixth thing is support. TaxPoint has a helpful support team, but some users report longer wait times during peak tax season. If immediate support is crucial for your business, you might want to look into alternatives like TaxCloud, which is known for offering faster response times and more comprehensive help. Next, let's talk about scalability. If your business is growing rapidly, TaxPoint can handle larger volumes, but if you anticipate expansion into multiple states or countries, you may find that other options like Avalara are better equipped to handle that scale without additional complexity or cost. The eighth thing to know is about the automation features. TaxPoint provides a strong automation suite, including automatic calculation of tax rates and automatic filing. However, some competitors offer more advanced features, like automatic exemption certificate management, which could save you significant time and effort. The ninth thing is tax compliance. TaxPoint keeps up with changing tax laws, but it's not always as fast as other solutions, especially when it comes to complex international tax changes. Avalara is often ahead in this area, with more comprehensive compliance updates across multiple countries. The 10th thing is user feedback. While TaxPoint has a solid reputation, it doesn't have as many user reviews as some of its competitors like TaxJar, which has a large and active user base, providing consistent feedback on improvements and features. If user community involvement is important to you, this could be a deciding factor. The 11th thing to note is mobile accessibility. TaxPoint doesn't offer a dedicated mobile app, which might be a downside for users who need to access their tax data on the go. Competitors like TaxCloud and Avalara provide mobile options, which may be a better fit if your business requires mobile flexibility. The 12th and final thing to consider is free trials. TaxPoint does offer a free trial, but it's relatively short compared to some competitors, such as TaxJar, which offers an extended trial period, giving you more time to evaluate the software in real-world conditions. So, is TaxPoint a good choice? Yes, it offers solid features, especially for businesses looking for a simple, user-friendly option. But if you want a more comprehensive solution with greater scalability and advanced features, there are other options out there that might suit your needs better. If you're looking for a recommended solution to try for free, check out our top choice linked in the description.